Hi everyone, this video presents our strategy for further improvement of student survey of Nguyen University in Vietnam, especially in Ho Chi Minh City. And my team has 4 members such as Sơn, Phat, Thi, and Phung. And each member will take the different responsibility on this project. To be specific, Thi follow the statement focus, vision for change, while Phat review the key stakeholder maps and barrier for change. Phung show the resources and opportunity for change, whereas Sơn concentrate on selling the idea to the dean of business faculty and key stakeholder of our choice. Due to the increased number of students surveyed and utilized for student learning process need to be improved in some areas. So our project concentrate on 3 parts of student survey, such as workshop, student support department, and academic. In particular, the student support department is on behalf of the university and all the departments to receive information and problem from the student to handle. Therefore, the behavior of this department might have an influence on the perception of the brands in positive and negative. Besides, academic department is responsible for updating information and improving the quality of the course, as well as fixing problems of the student during the studying process. Furthermore, workshops are the opportunity for students to comprehend the practical working environment and get experience from the senior or professional speaker to prepare for the future career path. Therefore, our vision is to help students achieve academic excellence and receive the best service during the studying process via our professional internal department and international studying environment.
Hello everyone, I will continue my turn in the process. Firstly, I would like to talk about the stakeholders of the process. Stakeholders are the people who relate to the operation of the university. There are 3 kinds of stakeholders, including external stakeholders, internal stakeholders, and core stakeholders. To be specific for our case, core stakeholder mean the faculty, including director, dean, lecturer, staff advisor, administration, accountant, academic, student, parent, and Ministry of Training and Education. From that stakeholder that I mentioned above, who are the parties that can make change happen. For our topic, the student service, the core stakeholder can change the tasks such as the first one is faculty department has positive and negative impact on the staff. By that way, the quality of student service may be influenced. The second one is academic department. Generally, take responsibility of modifying the courses about material, information, and deadline of the enrollment assessment. Moreover, they also work with students in resolving problems during the studying process. From that, the chain of faculties in decision will impact the manner of staff on working performance. And the last one is student parents. They also are influential since they may not register for their children to study in this university. This phenomenon will lead to the fall enrollment number of students over time. Therefore, student service will be useless if the university do not have enough students. When doing the process, we may deal with barriers which may happen and they can affect to the changing of its operation. It includes the student support, workshop, and academic team. First is the student support department. The knowledge is one of the barriers to improvement, especially this knowledge includes the understanding of full program, how to study and get studying document, applying assessment, ways of calculating the rate, mistake processing for students. Therefore, these staff are required to have a good knowledge about the university program before consulting for students. Second is the workshop handling team. Due to the limitation of the project for workshop, student service may not have much opportunity to communicate with famous speakers in the relevant areas. From that, students do not have a chance to approach experience, information, and method from the sharing of speakers. Third is academic team. Enrollment standard is also an issue since a student can easily enroll to the University of Greenwich, Vietnam without having a good English skill. The basic requirement is to graduate from high school, and if they are not able to use English, they can take the English course. The same for each level of English course is easy and unqualified, so students can easily pass the test. Therefore, it may negatively influence the quality of studying and teaching methods of lectures at BTech and top level. Especially, some students cannot comprehend information in English during the studying process, so lecturers have to sit by using English 50% English and 50% Vietnamese. Hence, the current enrollment standard and academic management are prayers for the improvement and needs to be considered for change, as it influences not only student outcome but also the school image and output.
Hello everybody, my name is Phung. After my team members' discussion about the stakeholders and barriers of the RENET, we will mention about the RENET in Vietnam's resources. First of all, we have the internal resources. This is include the depth of management and skill staff, including the permanent staff and part-time staff for student service. In addition, we also have the capacity of roads, modern facility or equipment. And moreover, we have the new location in the city centers and technologies and the distribution channel. And we also have the reputational resources. This is include the brand value in UK. And after that, we also have the good relationship with corporations in Vietnam. From these resources, RENET will gain some opportunities such as the university's brand image become more and more valuable in the people mindset. After that, increase the hue of new students from various religions for apply these universities. And we also expand the size of growing universities, attracting and persuading talented students for international curriculum, as well as raising the good output quality for the generations of RENET students. And finally, we can graduate students will have a job opportunity for prestigious brands in Vietnam and international companies.
Hello everyone, my name is Nguyen. Moving on the next slide, we will take some advanced more to negotiate with the Dean Business of Faculty. Firstly, for the student support department, the staff will receive ongoing training to improve the quality of counseling. After the training process, periodic tests will be performed to recheck the quality. The feedback from students and parents will reflect the positive and negative. Now, secondly, organizing more effective workshop to connect with students and speakers with a chain of knowledge and literacy from the speaker. Students can get and apply this radical knowledge. Moreover, alumni is an essential resource toward the workshops, since they are willing to be back to support the school after completing the course. Therefore, we can figure some professional alumni lecturer who are expert on specific area to invite for the workshop. Furthermore, we can ask lecturer for inviting the qualified people to participate in the discussion about different topics. For the academic side, they have various inadequacy without a specific solution for the quality problem. Therefore, the total quality management is an appropriate strategy to modify and enhance performance. Specifically, faculty can control and observe the working process within the organization while total quality management can shorten the processing time to ensure that students can get feedback at the specific time. Level and carefully review. These activities will create an international standard learning environment and ensure the quality of using English during the learning process. And next, I would like to share idea for Ministry of Training and Education. Currently, university and secondary and high schools have not strictly applied the basic standard set by the Ministry of Education and Training through the assessment of student support, workshop, and academic. The ministry can apply the mentioned information to be a standard for the training program, since it can enhance the trade standard and the quality of teacher through teaching process. Moreover, the internal departments can be promoted to read the duties.
Well, finally, we thank all partners of this project to contributing ideas and developing a plan to improve the service and education quality of the region. My team also proposed ideas to overcome the real barrier to reach opportunity for improving process to such as international studies environment. Moreover, this proposal would be conducted to support bring the best experience for students at University of Greenwich. After all, as being a broad organizational consultant, we seriously thank the Dean of Business faculty and audience for listening for this project. Thank you.